Hi everyone and welcome to the Easy Redmine tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you Transactions Manager. Just open the More menu item and Personal Finance. Here you can see the history of all transactions made in a company. Here you've got the status of the transaction, here you've got the date of the transaction, the amount, and the user the transaction was made with. And then there is a description. In this list of transactions, as always, you can filter, define options of the table, or you can export it. Here on the right, if you click on a particular user, you can display transactions that were made with this user only. Here you can see the balance of the user, which is a sum of all transactions. If I go back, you can see that here you can create a new entry. That means you can register a new transaction. Let me show you how it works. If you click on the New Entry button, you can select the user. It's the user the transaction is made with. Then you enter the amount, and if the amount is positive, it increases the balance of the user. And if the amount is negative, it decreases the balance of the user. Then you can select the status, then the payment method, whether it's cash or without cash, and the purpose of the transaction. It can be salary, for example. And then you can add a description to the transaction. So like this, you can easily enter a new transaction into the system. So these were transactions. Then there are transaction templates. Transaction templates are useful for recurring payments. Let's say each user is supposed to get a salary every month. So you can have it as a template, and each month this template is executed, and a new transaction is recorded from the template. So, this was the Transaction Manager, where you simply register every transaction that was made in the system. Then, every user has a virtual account, so on his personal page he can see the balance. Right now I'm on the personal page, and here is the Personal Finances module, where I can see my actual balance is negative. That means that I got more money than I was supposed to, and now I owe money to the company. Here are my personal finance templates, and I can see I'm supposed to get 5,000 euros each month. Under the templates I can see transactions that were made within the last month. So this is a brief history of transactions of a particular user. So this was the Personal Finances module, which shows virtual balance of any user, and the overview of the Transaction Manager. And then there is a cash desk. Any cash transaction is recorded in the cash desk as well. So cash desk works as a cash monitoring tool. You can see all cash transactions, and you can see the balance for every month. So these were transactions between the company and users and their monitoring. Thank you for watching the video.